Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version. Open HeyMelody app. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the application and then you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down and at the bottom we have firmware version. Now, firmware version is the same as software. Tap at this line, and if nothing happened, it means that you have the latest software version. If you enter inside to the new menu, you will see a button at the bottom, install, download and install. Tap at this button and wait until this update finishes. Next step may be the problem in your audio player application. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the cache, then open it again. And also you can go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player and update if you haven't. If both of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at the at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, we have touch controls. You need to press and hold both of these touch controls for at least 15 seconds. Here we go, now we can release the fingers and then we need to reconnect these earbuds with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. But I need to click this button, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pring mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Then click Pair, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!